two pieces.
This is the 18mm jaw, the spring disassembled. Place the 15 in. Spring, cassette, assembly. There's the back end. So it's the rear end of the jaw in there. That's the back end assembly. And that's the DTI barrel. So that fits. So the jaw fits that way in the cassette. And that's the front, where you pop the load indicator. And that's the back. So it sits this way. The cable comes in through there. And then if you have a look at the rear end, you can see that's the jaw, the back of the jaw.